Have you thought about using essential oils at home but didn't bother because you were overwhelmed with the choices? Maybe you heard that if you use them in the wrong way, they could be harmful for you. After watching this video, you'll come away with a basic understanding about what essential oils are, how they can be used safely in your home, and benefits of essential oils to help support you in midlife. Hi, I'm Anneli. For 30 years, I've used natural home cleaners, and I want to share with you my love of essential oils. It all started with my interest in skincare and evolved into my own natural soap business when I was in my 30s. My kids were very little, and this was on the side of my full-time job as a nurse. During that time, I dove deeply into the research and started making products to promote healthy skin and a healthy home. My company was called Sisu Soap Company. This, of course, was a nod to my Finnish roots. I even made some sauna soaps, which were so nice. I also understood that safety was a huge factor, especially because we had little children and pets around the house. This is very important. Even though oils from plants, which are essential oils, are natural, they can be harmful and toxic. Not all things natural are safe. A lot of this comes down to the strength and the dose of the oil. Also, it differs between animals and humans. So whatever you decide, do your research first and find out the safety data. Reputable companies will provide safety data on their products. There are a lot of companies now that make essential oils, so you also want to research the company to find a reputable one that provides the safety information, as well as the basic information about the region the oils come from and how the oil was distilled from the plant, because there are various ways to do this. When you're making something like soap, the quality of the oil could be different from an oil you're putting on your skin or the one you're diffusing to inhale. Even though I come from a nursing background and believe that Western medicine can save lives, I also believe there's an element of ownership we need to take in regards to our health. I think we can learn from non-traditional medicine and from past generations of what is good for us and beneficial. I've kept up the use of essential oils over all these years. Some people find a lot of benefit from different oils, such as lavender, aiding with their sleep, and that's a very well-known point about lavender. But there's also essential oils that are lesser known that have some really good antibacterial and disinfecting properties, and those are the ones that I definitely use in my cleaning products. I needed to restock my cleaning solutions, so I thought I'd share what I do with you. I've been doing this for over 2 decades now. After I closed my soap business, I really missed the very basic type of soap that I used to make, and I discovered Pink Solution. The company warehouse was so close to me that I went there, talked to the owner, and bought several buckets of their basic soap, which so closely resembled the soap that I used to make. I have used this now as a base for my cleaning products since then, but I add my own essential oils. Essential oils can be used to inhale in a diffuser. Essential oils can be used by adding to the skin with a carrier oil, and essential oils can be added to other ingredients like I do here to make my cleaning solution. Essential oils that I currently use in my cleaning products are cinnamon, clove, grapefruit, pine, lavender. I use cinnamon, clove, lavender, and pine for their cleaning abilities and the properties for disinfection that they have. And then I like to add something citrusy like grapefruit just to make it smell better for myself, because I'm not a huge fan of the lavender scent, but lavender actually has very good properties in it, so I always use it. I've been doing this for so long that I don't really even have to measure anymore. I make a stronger solution for things like cleaning toilets or other heavy-duty cleanings, and then I make a lighter solution for dusting, cleaning kitchen counters, my windows, mirrors, things like that. Always check that it's safe for the surface you're using it for, because like I said, even though essential oils are natural, they are very strong and they can have a big impact. The last thing you want to use is something that strips away paint or causes a stain. Always make sure to test it out first. I've always loved using essential oils because I have become so sensitive over the years to scents of products that are sold in stores, especially synthetic scents. They can be so highly perfumed. It's really important for me to use products that I feel are safer for me and my family. That's why I opt for making my own cleaning solutions and adding essential oils that I know are safe. I know that a lot will probably wonder which brands I use, and over the years I've used many different brands. I like the Canadian brands Vitruvi and Sage, and my current favorite is Revive. There's so many companies out there now, so it's just a matter of comparing them. I may make this a series where I talk about ways I use essential oils and talk more in depth about them if there's an interest. Let me know, because I really think that essential oils are a really nice addition to any family, and especially for women as we get older, because it's very common to get more sensitive to different ingredients as we age. Do you use any essential oils? And if you do, what are your favorites? I'll list the ones that I've added to my cleaning solutions, and I'll also put the links to my favorite shops for buying oils and the pink solution. Let me know if you want this to be a series where we delve further into essential oils that benefit women over 50. I hope you have a great week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.